Yon. Hello guys. Welcome again to another video for today. So, nag-start na ang season ng League of Legends WILDRIFT, new season nila. So, maganda ang kanilang season event ngayon. So, you're the 11. So, inaayos pa rin nila. Hindi ko alam kung ano, kasi hindi pa lang ako naglalaro. So, siguro inaayos daw ni Riot yung mga bugs. Tinanggal nila yung Yordle event ulit. So, ang napakaganda doon, nandun lahat ng Yordle champions. So, yung mga Yordle champions na yun, nandun si Timo, si Lulu, tsaka yung iba pa. So, isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko is pinasok na nila si Katarina and also si Ramos, which is nandito sa kabila. Ayan, si Ramos. Ayan, sticker ko si Ramos. So, siguro hindi nyo ako gano'ng naririnig na maayos. Patay natin yung electric. Ayan. So, ang papanoorin natin ngayon is, ang gagawin natin is magre-react yung video. League of Legends WILDRIFT tayo. So, pagpasensya niyo yung mga maningay na aso. Ilang beses na sinabi sa barangay na bawal ang aso, bakit merong aso pa sa labas. Isang nakakainis. So, what are they waiting for? So, start na natin ang recording. Dito ka na naman. So,
But Timo's AWOL. You need a recon. I'll help you find him.
I know where he is. The Bilgewater pages are missing from his scout journal.
Yeah,
Besides, weren't there enemy?
So guys, yung huli kong video reaction nga pala is either siguro 5 months ago or 4 months ago. So, King of the Stained Blade yun. So, napansin ko lang WILDRIFT ito WILDRIFT. So, napakaganda ng graphics ng kanilang cinematics. So, yung graphics na dating is talagang parang realistic. So, yung animation, napakagaling ng mga gumawa. So, napakagaling ni Riot talaga. So, sa League of Legends naman, so, meron silang bagong labas na champion, which is Viego, the Ruin King. So, ilalabas pa lang yun. Nilabas na pala, sorry. Magkasabay pala tong Yordle champions. Okay, tuloy na natin.
Bogies spotted over Piltover?
Bogies? Bogies? Why didn't you say so?
I'll help you save Timo.
Lieutenant Lulu, this, rock is the most important part of the mission. You've got this.
I always have to guard the rock. I can do a lot of things. I'll fix that.
Timo? Timo, sound off! Whoa! A double cannon!
Oh. Parang kilala ko yung baril. Na yan. So, siguro, kung di ako nagkakamali kay Kwan yan. Si Graves, yun, si Graves. Okay.
Oh.
Not a single bogey. Nothing. Absolutely
napakaganda talaga ng graphics. So, talagang Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Talagang na-amaze talaga ako rito. Talagang napakaganda naman. So, Tales of Runeterra, no? Don't mess with the Yordles. So, League of Legends Wild Rift to.
Nothing. She thinks I'm washed up. Well, not this, my boy.
This rock never does anything. Ugh.
You're not gonna... What? No Tristana?
Nope.
Mission's gone south. Want to go cause a ruckus?
I thought I struck gold when I got one yordle. Now look what we got.
You...
Si Twisted Fate pala yun. Tsaka si Greaves. Hindi ako makapaniwala talaga.
God. Don't care how much those yordles are worth on the bounty board. They're a ticking time bomb of trouble.
Quit your whining. That cage is runic iron.
Oh, Corky.
Prepare to face Randall City's most decorated lions!
That makes 3.
Ang cute nila, no?
Rich!
What was your plan?
Oh, I'm just a distraction.
What?
As I said, tick, tick, tick.
But oh.
Donna, I've been watching this rock all day.
Kaya don't mess with the Yordles, especially kay Lulu. So si Lulu ay talagang skill nito is lumalaki talaga siya.
And it doesn't do anything. I'm starting to think that
wait!
maybe...
Don't touch your gun!
Rock!
Son of a...
Timo!
Is that all the mustard you got? Right now, get off me!
Drop your weapon, you little...
And speculate!
Si Greaves naging palaka.
What's a Bandle Gunner without her support?
What I tell you, you don't mess with yordles.
Thanks. I thought I was a goner. Not with friends like these furballs. What were you here for anyway?
Vandal Scout mission badge number 389. Adopt a pet. Cute, huh? It's a school-devouring sea worm! Timo, wait!
Wait, Timo, wait!
Wow! So, nabitin ako talaga sa sobrang ganda ng League of Legends WILDRIFT Cinematic 1. First cinematic po nila to. For your information. First cinematic ng League of Legends with the Yordles Champions. Yung unang cinematic trailer nila is yung League of Legends WILDRIFT. Nandun si Yasuo, si Lux, si Zed, and si Blitzcrank. Also nandun si Jinx. Siyempre, especially si Jinx. Siya yung pinakang main character champion doon. And also, si Timo nandun na rin. No? So, sino pa yun nandun? Si Malphite. And hindi ko na matandaan yung iba. Sino pa ba nandun? So, wala akong ibang masabi, kundi talaga saludo talaga ako sa ganda ng WILDRIFT, no? Okay, napakaganda talaga ng WILDRIFT. Ano pa ba? Wala lang masabi. So, thank you for watching. So, yun lang ang gusto kong masabi sa WILDRIFT. Number 1 is napakaganda ng graphics. So, yung graphics nila is same as on the game. Isa lang yan sa mga masasabi ko, ano? So, walang pinagkaiba yung cinematic nila sa laro. So, talagang napakaganda. So, by the way guys, So, available na si Ramos and Katarina doon. So, kung sino yung may willig na mag-Ramos and Katarina, so, bilhin nyo na agad. So, sa Yordle event naman, so, hindi ko alam kung bumalik na at ay inaayos pa ni Riot yung kwan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. So, siguro, binalik na nila. So, siguro maglalaro ko bukas using Garen, no? Hindi ko lang alam. So, subukan lang natin. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share and subscribe. Hit nyo na rin notification bell para ma-update pa kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. Thank you for watching.